So, simple quick video on how to put a watermark behind an Excel chart. This is a chart that goes into Facebook, and so many people borrow things. I wanted to make sure there was a watermark clearly visible behind the chart of who would go back to cruising straight after the virus. So this is in Facebook. We put it up a few minutes ago, and here's the chart, which is actually in Excel. You can see the watermark logo behind it, and it's easy to put it up if you know how to do it, but there isn't a watermark button. So you have to go to Insert and Word Art. Word Art is the key here. Let's choose a pattern where it can be anyone, doesn't matter. Let's click on this one, and it will have inserted it, but it's not where I wanted it. It's obviously jumped in further down, so there it is. Let's pick it up and drag it below my chart, so it's nice and easy to see and easy to work with. Pretty much simple stuff from here on. This is going to be changed. We're going to type Doris visits in here, delete the text that was there. Doris visits. We're a cruise resource. We have a channel on YouTube that films every port there is that cruise ships stop at. It's quite useful for anyone, really. So we have our Doris visits word art box. Problem: you can see it covers the letters in the chart, so you can't read the chart. This is where we need to make a few adjustments, and again, pretty simple when you know how. We're going to go to shape format. It's not word format, you won't find that on the top. Shape format. Pick up the format pane, which will be at the end, and there you'll see text options, and we'll go to the first A. Here they are: text fill and text outline. We need to adjust both of those. That's the fill in the middle and the outlines around the edge. Pretty straightforward. We want it to look so we can see the numbers in the chart. So it's done by transparency. Text fill, let's take the transparency down. You can see it's gone to a faint orange there. And we're going to do the same with outline. Now you can actually get rid of the outline, but it does kind of leave it all like it goes. There's no definition. So let's just take the outline right down. That looks pretty good. And then we'll drag that box up, and as you can see the text there, the chart through Doris visits. So basically, File, Insert, Word Art. Then you go to Format, the shape format. Go to the chart at the end. Go to the word section, text section, and we're going to change the transparency of the fill and the outline. So let's take that one away, put our new one up. Pretty cool, eh? I like that. So if you've never cruised before, do come over and join us on the Doris Visits YouTube channel and come and see some of the ports the ships stop at.